Okay, if you want to bounce Jimmy. So with this, I watch what he's doing for a couple minutes and get a sense of what areas can need improving. Then as he issues, here I'm just releasing the space in which Jimmy's going into. When you release the space, the person tends to float into that space a bit more. And then from there, can pump into that space. As you go through this process, if you're using the releasing phase, you're releasing the space open, releasing the receiver open. You're amplifying sensitivity through that release so the person feels more. Then you're releasing tension in the issuer to get more energetic conductivity. So whatever aspect of your partner you're seeking to improve, you want to be very clear, so you release exactly what you want to get the effect that you want to happen within the training partners. Then when you go from the releasing phase to the energizing phase, you would a bit more drop the hip, stretch the spine and pump the energy, and you can increase conductivity by just pumping energy through. You can increase volume through that, pumping that energy through. You can increase sensitivity by pumping energy through, and then you can look at structural alignment, release the structure into a better position, and then pump energy through it so the person owns the new alignment. So you've got all these opportunities to assist your training partner in doing the exercise. If you're teaching, this is just an essential part of teaching. It's a normal part of teaching where you walk around the room, watch the training partners doing their thing, and then you pick up areas, fix them, increase the energy moving through, and so forth. So as a teacher, this is a very basic fundamental skill that you want to master. The effects of, let's say, if you just three people training together, one person's is helping in the background. The person who's helping in the background is essentially training a type of empty force. And so their empty force skills are going to be going up while they're doing this. So it amplifies all the different facets of your training. And for three people, you should be taking turns in each of the positions: the issuer, the feeder, and then the person who's assisting. And you just keep changing over. For a beginner to move to an intermediate level, this is sort of like the bridge, because so much happens to your listening, so much happens to your conductivity, so much happens through more power going through you. Your power is essentially doubling in the moment. That's your power and your partner's power feeding through you. And then you get a sense of energetic memory of that, and then you're able to invoke a higher flow rate. Once you've had those experiences, your unconscious can align to producing those levels of energy yourself, those levels of sensitivity, those levels of conductivity, those alignments, and so forth. So this exercise, it can't be understated how valuable it is for amplifying your growth rate. Okay, thank you.